So yun guys, no, after we unbox this solar lights, no, which we bought from Lazada, no, which is buy one take one solar light. Ayan na siya. We are now installing, no. Ayan, ina-assemble natin siya, no, for for final assemble, no. And makikita natin kung ano ang itsura niya after we assemble, no. Since na nakabili na rin ako ng ganitong solar light, no, before, which is we use in our kitchen and in the gate, no. Ayan, but that was 1500 watts, no. So it's heavy duty, no. And ito naman siya is talagang okay na rin siya kasi nung tinry ko naman na, no,